In a time of ancient strife, where empires rose and fell, the Great Wall of China stood as a colossal sentinel, stretching over mountains and valleys, a testament to human ambition and resilience. It whispered tales of courage and sacrifice, echoing through the ages. At the heart of this monumental structure was General Meng Tian, a visionary leader tasked with protecting the realm from invading forces. But as tensions rose between rival clans, betrayal lurked in the shadows, threatening to unravel the very fabric of unity. As war drums echoed through the valleys, the stakes grew perilous. The invading nomadic tribes, fierce and relentless, sought to breach the walls and claim the land as their own. The fate of the civilization hinged upon the bravery and loyalty of its defenders. In a dramatic twist, the emperor's court became rife with treachery, as advisors whispered of surrender, fearing the cost of a prolonged battle. But General Meng Tian rallied his troops, igniting a flame of hope and defiance as they prepared to stand firm. Ultimately, the Great Wall was not just a physical barrier, but a symbol of unity, resilience, and the human spirit. Though the battle raged on, the lessons of courage and sacrifice echoed through time, reminding future generations of the price of freedom.